Hey folks, this is Raul here at Worldwide RV, the Jayco dealership in Mesa, Arizona. Today I want to show you the 183 FBS Micro, new Jayco floor plan. I'm going to do a quick walk around. So this is the Micro, as I was saying. Micros come with vacuum bonded fiberglass, structurally aluminum. They have a really nice pass-through with battery disconnect, and all the units come with their own griddle for outside cooking. Door has a spring so you can't slam it, the wind won't be able to slam it, and they comes with a 2 steps, folding steps, adjustable at the bottom. It's got the flipped axles for really good ground clearance, American-made Dexter axles with self-adjusting electric brakes, outside shower, and this is where the griddle will get mounted. Unit is pre-wired for side and backup camera, waterproof speakers at the top, electrical awning with LED lights all the way underneath. Ladder for the roof. Speaking of the roof, this has got the Magnum Truss roof system rated for 4,500 pounds. The hitch is only for down, not for towing, but it's rated for 250 pounds, so e-bikes no problem. One of the really nice things about Jayco's, you get the water heater, on-demand water heater, which is propane only, but it's 60,000 BTU, so even on cold mornings you can take hot showers. Nice thing I like to point out, even though it's very solidly built, this is still a very light unit, 4,045 pounds dry, fully loaded to maximum, 4,995, so 5,000 pounds fully loaded to maximum with, by the way, this unit holds 55 gallons of fresh water if you were to fill it up to the maximum. Here we are on the inside of the 183 FBS. As you can see, a very spacious floor plan. One of my favorite things about it is that even with the slide in, you get access to the fridge and to the bathroom and to the bed. Speaking of the fridge, this is a 12-volt fridge with the freezer at the bottom. And to help with that, this unit has 200 watts of solar on the roof, and it's pre-wired for an inverter. Big AC with heat pump. The couch falls flat into a bed as well. And as you can see, this has got a full walk-around bed, plugs on both sides of the bed, really good storage, and induction charging for your smartphone. If you click on it, it gives you access to a USB plug. This unit has got a very spacious bathroom with a medicine cabinet, window in the bathroom, and a step-in shower. Okay, another really nice thing I like to point out about this unit, it comes with the Climate Shield 4-season installation. And also, as all Jayco's, you have 2-year warranty plus the 3-year structural, best in the industry. If you'd like to see this unit in person or many others that we have here, come visit us. Again, my name is Raul. I'll be more than happy to help. Bye.